Hi, my name is Amir Azzam from the Kiasa International School of Sarajevo. Today we're gonna do a volcano experiment for my science fair project. So now let's start. For this experiment, we need soda bicarbonate, vinegar, and food coloring. First, we need to put soda bicarbonate. Next, we need to put food coloring with a baking soda. Next, we put a vinegar and you can see the volcano is exploding. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye!